Hello everybody, and this is Kev again, and this is Frankie, and this is our new uniform. Yeah, and okay, so it's me again. Gary. This is Gary. Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a new product of Kev. Today I'm not going to talk too much. I will show you. Here, this is the hinge. And you can see the structure, right? A little different. See me. I'll show you. Just press it very easily. And then no screw. You can see no screw here. And just press it a little bit. You don't need to push it very hard. And see, it's fixed. And you can see the gap. No gap. Perfect. And now I will clip it on the 3D base, the 3D plate. Just clip it and push it. Done. Right? Okay. Now I will show you the 3D adjustment here. Up and down. And here. And also this screw. You can see the angle here. Right? Okay. And this is the normal base. And the two different bases. And I'll show this again. Actually, this is the normal function for the 3D adjustable hinge. I think many of you must know about this. And of course, the main parts. Now the star, this is the superstar today, is the snap down hinge. This part, right? When we want to take it out, just it is very easy, right, guys? I believe many of you will like it. Okay, I'll show you again. Okay? No screw, no nothing. Just drill the holes first, and then just press it. Just press it, and then push it very easily. And then it is done, right? Okay, this is all for this new start today. Thank you everybody.